Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look using the Sleek Makeup Enchanted Forest palette. I absolutely love these shadows. I am definitely going out and getting more sleek eyeshadows. I bought these long time ago. I did a sleek makeup review and the video didn't come out that great. So last night I was just checking out all my eyeshadows and I came across this one and I remembered how much I love how much I love this, and so I decided to create a look. I didn't plan how to do this look. I just looked at the palette and voila. So I hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, stay tuned and the tutorial is about to follow. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye. I'm just going to apologize in advance if you hear any noises in the background. My windows are wide open and it's really hot today, and if I use the fan, it's just going to be too noisy. And my voiceover microphone isn't that great, so I'm going to avoid it as much as I can until I really have to use it. So I've done my brows off camera. So I've used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, the Sleek Makeup Enchanted Forest palette, Beatrice. I'm just going to pick up a tappet blending brush. Just going to take that really lightly as a transition shade. Next I'm going to take this red shade right here, and this one is called Anastasia, and I'm going to take that along the crease, and I've picked that up on the MAC 217, and I'm just going to keep blending that up. These eyeshadows are so blendable and the pigmentation is just perfect. There's no patchiness. They blend so smoothly. It's just great all over. So I'm going to take that onto the outer corner as well in circular motions. I'm going to pick up the transition shade again with the same brush that I used earlier. Just going to blend everything out. Take the concealer again and I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm not going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to pick up the, what was this shade called, Anastasia, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer V a bit more. And right now all I'm doing is just patting it on, and then just deepening everything up, and I'm gonna deepen up the cut crease over here as well. Blend the outer edges with my finger. I'm gonna pick up this color right here, Happily Ever After, and I'm just gonna put that on the lid. Take Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease Brush, pick up Anastasia again and blend out the outer corner and the crease. So the reason why I didn't pick up the 217 is 217 will make it more subtle, whereas this will make it more defined, so it's more darker in a precise area. Okay, and I'm going back in with Happily Ever After with the flat brush. So now I'm going to wipe all the mess out, clean up everything. So I've primed with the Smashbox primeriser and used the MAC Prep and Prime Peach Lustre highlighter to correct NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Stromboli. For concealer, I'm going to use the Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution. So I'm setting with the Flawless Finishing powder. Bronzing, I'm going to go in with Give Me Sun by MAC. And I'm taking it with the Morphe M405. So for highlighting, I am going to use Anastasia So Hollywood. For blush, I am using Rose Gold by Sleek. I am going to set my face with the Fix Plus. So for mascara, I'm going to use a Velvet Noir, and for tight lining, I'm going to use Crayon Noir by Lancom. I'm going to put on my lashes, Iconic Lashes by House of Lashes, and I will come back to you guys. I do my lower lash line. I'm just going to go in with the same colors in the crease and transition. So for the lips, I am gonna go in with NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick and the liner, and these are both in the shade Cherry Skies. So for the inner corner, I'm just gonna take this purple shade right here called Perla. Guys, this is the finished look. I am sweating so much, so I am so hot. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys like the background tutorials with the background, or if you like me with my beauty setup, let me know below. So I doubt any of you care because I don't have that much of a following. But yeah, this is my finished look and I really like it.